Now let's talk about how you can turn off the dial pad sound on your iPhone, and let's get started. So if you like this type of videos, make sure you stay tuned and be subscribed to this channel so you never miss anything important. So you should think of the iPhone as a very closed ecosystem, and the only way how you can turn off the sound of dialing numbers is by making your phone go into the silent mode. This might slightly depend on the actual model you have, because on the iPhone 15 Pro and a 16 Pro, we have the action button on the side, which is mostly used for the mute switch purposes and even some other things. But on older and other devices, you have the good old mute switch, which just allows you to switch it like that and make the phone go silent, which will turn off the dialing sound altogether. So this is how you're gonna do this. Of course, you might also have a toggle in the control center for this exact purpose, but it all just gets the job done. Outside of that, there isn't really much else that you can do. As you can probably tell, it is a limitation because the dial pad sound comes or is referred to as DTMF, which is the dual-toned multi-frequency tone, and this is part of this system which cannot be disabled directly through the settings. No accessibility option actually allows you to just stop that, except for making your phone go to silent. So that's how it works. Let me know what you think. Hit the thumbs up for more tutorials and guides like this one, and I'm gonna catch you later.